If you had just $2,000 to invest in crypto in 2026, how would you actually grow it without taking unnecessary risks? That's exactly what we're breaking down today. First, understand this. Throwing all your money into one coin is not a strategy, it's gambling. The smartest move is allocation. Start with 40% in established coins. That's $800 split between Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are the backbone of the crypto market. They may not 10x overnight, but they give you stability and long-term growth. Next, put 30%, which is $600, into strong mid-cap altcoins. These are projects with real use cases and growing adoption. Look into sectors like AI, gaming, and Layer 2 scaling solutions. This is where higher growth potential starts to kick in. Now, take 20%, that's $400, and allocate it to high-risk, high-reward plays. These could be new tokens, trending narratives, or early-stage projects. This is your opportunity zone, but be careful. Only invest what you can afford to lose here. The final 10%, which is $200, should stay in stable coins. Why? Simple. This is your dry powder. When the market dips, you'll have cash ready to buy opportunities instead of watching from the sidelines. Now, let's talk strategy. Don't invest everything at once. Use dollar-cost averaging. Spread your entry over weeks or even months. This reduces your risk of buying at the top. Also, always take profits. When a coin doubles, consider taking out your initial investment and let the rest ride. That way, you're playing with profit, not fear. Security matters too. Don't leave all your funds on exchanges. Use a secure wallet and protect your assets like it's real money, because it is. Finally, stay updated. Crypto moves fast. Trends change. What works today might not work tomorrow. Keep learning, stay flexible, and never invest based on hype alone. With the right allocation, patience, and discipline, your $2,000 can do more than just sit. It can grow. And remember, in crypto, it's not just about how much you invest. It's about how smart you invest.